Hello, today we'll be making a rosé cream pasta with prawns. Remember to like and subscribe. We're introducing the mighty chopper. Chop up the tomatoes into small pieces. Slice some spring onions, and peel and devein some prawns. Remember to keep the prawn shells to bolster the flavor of the sauce. Here are the ingredients that you need. I have minced some garlic on the side. Boil some water to cook some pasta. You want to remove it a little before it reaches the desired texture such that it does not get overcooked. When cooked, remove and rinse under cold water. I also saved some pasta water to adjust the consistency of the sauce later on. Add a dollop of butter and stir fry with the aromatics till it becomes fragrant. Here's a mini hack. You would want to stir in the prawn shells here to enhance the flavor of the base itself. Add in the tomatoes and cook till it's soft. A good thing about adding tomatoes is that it reduces the feelings of greasiness that you can get from a cream pasta. Pour in some cooking cream to make the base. Stir, stir, stir. Remove the prawn shells and add to the cup of pasta water that you have saved from earlier. I didn't want to waste any of the flavor, so I just mixed it well and poured the water back in to adjust the consistency of the sauce. When the pasta is cooked, you can add in the prawns. You can choose to lightly season it with some black pepper as well as salt before this. Lightly turn the prawns over to cook the other side and add the pasta when all the prawns are cooked. Stir well to combine. Add the chopped spring onions and stir again. Salt to taste if required. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and add Italian herbs to the plated pasta. You can add a slice of toast for dipping with the sauce. There you have it!